Good evening to respected Madam, Sir. My name is Idiga Durga Bhavani. I am pursuing BSc 4th year Agriculture from SV Agriculture College, Tirupati, Anglo University. I am so glad to select for undergraduate inbound credit mobility program for 1 month. My mentor is Dr. Jul Arif Abdul Latif sir, and my field supervisors are Dr. Shafika ma'am and Miss Aniza ma'am. My training program on rockmelon cultivation by fertigation and pergola landscaping. Firstly, we reached the UVMK on 14th February morning. There we had an opening ceremony. Next day we started our journey to UPSI, which is my training site on 15th February. From 16th February onwards, my training started. First, we are divided into two groups, plot A and plot B. In plot A, we have undergone training on rockmelon cultivation by fertigation. In plot B, we have undergone training on pergola landscaping. First, I'm in plot A. First, I have our training program on rockmelon cultivation. This is our location site where we have done rockmelon cultivation by fertigation. This is pergola. This is the site. We have training on pergola landscaping. Next, our works on work in rockmelon cultivation. Here is first we have to know the basic concepts, basic aspects of rockmelon. First, the rockmelon scientific name is Cucumis mellow. It belongs to the family Cucurbitaceae and the class Dicotyledon, and the kingdom is Plantae. The basic steps we have done in rockmelon cultivation by fertigation is selection of field site, preparation of land site for cultivation, sowing of seeds in pro-trace, transplantation of seedlings, and intercultural operations. First, selection of field sites. As per the recommendation of our agriculture field officer, Sir Arif sir, we have selected a greenhouse with an area of 20 into 60 feet. Then we come to the preparation of land site. Here, first we cleared the greenhouse, means weeding in the greenhouse. Then we fill the grow bags with coco peat. About 160 grow bags are filled. Then we arrange the rocks in the greenhouse to place the grow bags on it. Then we transfer the grow bags to the greenhouse. There are about 28 grow bags per each row, totally 6 rows, means total grow bags of 156 grow bags are placed in the greenhouse. These are the pictures showing the activities we have done. The first picture shows the filling of grow bags with coco peat, next weeding in greenhouse and arranging of rocks in the greenhouse, then transfer of grow bags into the greenhouse. Then after transferring the grow bags, we have done flushing. Flushing means treating the coco peat with chlorinated water. We should done flushing before transplantation of seedlings. Why? Because the coco peat contains high amount of sodium, which is very harmful for plants to grow. So we should do flushing by chlorinated water to reduce the amount of sodium content in the coco peat. We have done flushing 2 times for maximum removal of sodium content. After flushing, we have done some piping work in the greenhouse. Means we have fixed the microtubes which are of 1 mm size to the laterals by punching a hole. Then other side to the microtubes we have attached drippers, and this dripper is placed in the middle of the grow bag, such that we have follow this process for every grow bag, means 156 grow bags. After this, these are the pictures which are showing this is the flushing, and this is the piping network we have done in the greenhouse. Then after this, we have sown the seeds in the pro-trace. Before sowing the seeds in pro-trace, we have to do soaking, because soaking increases the germination percentage such a way that the seed coat of seeds is very hard to protect the embryo. If we sow such like that only, then the time taken for germination is much more. To reduce the germination timing, we should do soaking for about 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Like that, we have soaken seeds for about 45 minutes in water. After 45 minutes, we have taken out the seeds and sowing the seeds in pro-trace, which are filled with peat moss. After 10 days, we have taken the seedlings and transplanted the seedlings in the grow bags, 1 seedling per grow bag. This is the picture showing the soaking and sowing of rockmelon seeds in the grow bag, rockmelon seeds in pro-trace. this is the transplantation of rock melon seedlings in the grow bags along with my friends. Along with the rock melon cultivation, we have done other works in the plot here, like sowing of corn seeds in the pro trays. After 1 week, we have transplanted the corn seedlings in the main field. Application of NPK green to the corn seedlings at 1 month stage, and mechanical weeding with grass cutter. This is our new experience. And harvesting and packing of mushrooms and cleaning of mushroom beds. Then manual weeding in the greenhouse. Up to February 28, we have done training in plot A on rock melon cultivation by fertigation. After that, we have training in pergola landscaping plot B. In India, for fertigation, we use fertilizers like 9919, 14035, 2020 0113, like that. Here NPK green and some fertilizers are used for fertigation. Then pergola landscaping. Pergola is a garden feature forming a shaded walkway. The main purpose of pergola landscaping is to provide shade where large canopy trees aren't an option. These are the characteristics of passion fruit vine which have planted to the pergola, which we have established in our land. The steps we have followed for establishing pergola landscaping is selection of site for placing pergola, then clearing the site means weeding. Then we have dig 8 holes of about 1 feet depth, and we place the cement pillars in the holes at a distance of 1.5 into 2 meters. The pillars are fixed by using the cement and sand mixture. Then we cut iron rods of length 4.5 meters using cutter. These are the pictures showing the activities which we have done. Then we tied the ropes of respective lengths to the iron rods, and we created a roof, netted roof like top over. Then we planted Passiflora edilis, which is passion fruit. Then we also done stepping stones in between the pillars using cement and sand mixture. These are the pictures showing our activities. Then this is the complete pergola which we have done. Then conclusion, really I am very glad to got this chance for 1 month internship in Malaysia. I have gained some knowledge on fertigation and a very new concept to pergola landscaping. I have gained practical experience in construction of pergola, stepping stones, etc. I improved my strength in doing work, and I think this training will be useful in my future. Thank you so much.